Hello, my name is Jeff, and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Our website is selectmotors.com. This is a 2008 Range Rover Sport Luxury Edition, and the color is Buckingham Blue Metallic with the Ivory leather interior. Naturally, it's all-wheel drive, has a fully adjustable suspension. You can raise it and lower it and change the settings depending on road conditions. The body's very nice. Paint condition is excellent. Has very close to new tires. And the brakes are recently new, front and rear. With the luxury edition, you get the deluxe soft leather. It really makes a difference. You get the special wood grain interior, and even has a cooler, refrigerated cooler under the armrest. Some nice features. It has power seats both sides, memory on the driver's side. They're heated, the front and the rear are heated. Power moonroof. Here's a look at the back seat. Naturally, the back seat will fold down flat. Here's a look at the wood grain, very elegant. Here's the look at the wood grain on this side. There's a Harman Kardon sound system. There's the power seat on this side. Navigation, factory navigation. Has automatic climate control, left and right independent settings. A lot of great luxury features. Has a CD changer if you play CDs. Runs and drives excellent, very well maintained. Is one owner. And the V8 engines in this generation, very reliable, not super high maintenance. Very nice Range Rover, hard to find in this condition and in this price range. Thanks for looking in. Give us a call, and we'd love to tell you more about this vehicle.